Hi everyone, welcome back to Wellnessity. Today, we're diving into a natural hair care remedy that's been gaining a lot of attention, rice water. I'll show you how rice water can help reduce hair fall, and I'll share some incredible benefits and real-life examples. Let's get started. Rice water has been used for centuries in Asian cultures for its amazing benefits for hair. It's packed with nutrients that can help strengthen your hair, reduce hair fall, and improve overall hair health. But what exactly makes rice water so effective? Here are some key benefits of rice water for hair fall. Rich in nutrients, rice water is loaded with vitamins B, C, and E, as well as minerals and amino acids. These nutrients nourish your hair and help improve its strength and elasticity. Inositol. One of the standout components in rice water is inositol, a carbohydrate that can repair damaged hair and reduce hair breakage. It helps strengthen hair from the inside out, improves hair elasticity. Rice water enhances your hair's elasticity, making it less prone to breakage. This can be particularly helpful if you're experiencing hair fall due to brittle hair. Balances scalp pH. The natural pH of rice water helps balance the scalp's pH levels, which can reduce dandruff and promote a healthier scalp environment. Stimulates hair growth. Regular use of rice water can stimulate hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp and providing essential nutrients. Now let's go through the steps to prepare rice water. There are two main methods, soaking and boiling. I'll show you both, measuring about 1/2 cup of rice. Rinse the rice thoroughly to remove impurities. Place the rice in a bowl and add 1 to 2 cups of water. Let it soak for 30 minutes. Strain the rice water into a clean container. You can use a sieve or strainer. Measure about 1/2 cup of rice and rinse it. Boil the rice in a pot with 2 to 3 cups of water for about 10 minutes. Let the rice water cool, then strain it into a container. You can also add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or rosemary for added benefits and a pleasant scent. Once you have your rice water ready, here's how to apply it to your hair. Start with clean, damp hair. Wash your hair with your regular shampoo and rinse well. Apply the rice water to your scalp and hair. You can use a spray bottle or pour it directly. Gently massage the rice water into your scalp for a few minutes. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. You can cover your hair with a shower cap to prevent drips. Rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. You can use a conditioner if you like. Here are a few tips to get the best results from your rice water treatment. Apply rice water 1 to 2 times a week. Overuse may cause protein buildup, which can make hair feel stiff. Always do a patch test to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Store leftover rice water in the refrigerator for up to a week. Fresh rice water is ideal. Along with using rice water, maintain a balanced diet and stay hydrated for overall hair health. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Give rice water a try and let me know about your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Wellnessity, and hit the notification bell for more natural hair care tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.